Good morning, students.
Good
Morning,
morning,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Okay. In the previous class, yesterday and the previous classes were discussed about the motion chapter. When on that chapter, we have learned about motion, acceleration, speed, velocity, okay, and etc. topics that we have learned. Now we are going to know about in this class new chapter. Okay, in front we are going to know about this new chapter. Okay, we will know about some basics of the lesson. Okay, what is the basics? Okay, see, when we observe the changes in motion of many objects around us. See once again. Okay, sir, Naveen sir, please share the slide. First slide. Yes. Today our topic name is laws of motion. What is the topic?
Laws of
Laws
motion.
of motion.
Motion. This is the second chapter. Laws of motion. Laws of motion. Motion. Laws of motion. Okay. In this chapter, okay, what are the laws? What are the laws mentioned here in this chapter? Okay, there is a few topics are mentioned here in this chapter. We will know about it. Okay, change the slide, please, sir. Slide, please. Yes. See, this is we observe the changes in motion of many objects around us. In generally, in our surroundings, we have observed so many changes in our surroundings. Okay, here, okay, we discussed the concepts of velocity and acceleration in the chapter motion. When we have discussed the motion chapter, when on the time we have learned briefly about acceleration and the velocity and acceleration. Those are the important topics in motion chapter. Okay, here philosophies. Philosophers. Anybody do you know philosophers means? In Telugu meaning tattvavettalu. Okay. Philosophers of the ancient world. Ancient world means Puratana Kala. Were very much interested to the study of motion. In the ancient, when the ancient peoples of philosophers and ancient peoples of philosophers, they are very interested to know about the study of motion. Okay, here one question always popping up in their minds was, what is the natural state of an object if left to itself? If left to itself. Okay, he's thinking, the philosopher's thinking about what is the motion state. What is the motion state? He thinks very interesting. See here, the natural state of an object if left to itself. Left to itself. What is the state? What is the state of the motion? Here, when we releases the body, is it moves or not? It is depends upon what are the nature of the object. Here, our common sense tells that every moving object on earth, if it is left free for some time, we will know about it. For example, when we throw the objects like a ball, when we releases the ball and throw the ball, it moves certain distance, then after it will stop. This is we all are well know about it. But why the object moving some of the distance, then after they stayed into some of the place? They don't know that. The ancient people don't know that. Nowadays we all are know about well now. Why? Because we have study about the laws of motions and the motions. That's why we have to know about why the objects are moving some of the distance, then after they will stop. We know about that. Here in ancient peoples, they don't know about the motion. Why the object is moving some of the distance, then after they stops there. They don't know. He inquires the topic of motion. See here, gradually comes to rest by itself. What happens if you stop pedaling your bicycle? Pedaling your bicycle. For example, if you are cycling, to go to one place to another place. If you are cycling to going to one place to another place, when you are pedaling to the cycle, the cycle moves from some of the point to the outer point. But if you are not pedaling, the cycle will move some of the distance, then after it will stops. Why the bicycle stops? Here it slows down gradually and finally stops. The cycle moves some of the distance gradually. They will become decreases their speed, then it will stop some of the place. Why? What is the reason? What is the mechanism involved here in this concept? They don't know. The ancient peoples, they don't know about that. That's why the ancient peoples, they are much very interested to study the motion. Okay, we wonder to know that okay, Aristotle. Do you know Aristotle, scientist? Aristotle.
No, sir.
He's
No,
an
sir.
he's an most talented, I mean most talented scientist and also ancient scientist is Aristotle. He is the Alexander, guru of Alexander, Aristotle. Okay, Aristotle. Aristotle. See, we want to know that Aristotle. We want to know that Aristotle, the great philosopher of that time, also concluded that the natural state of an earthly object is to be at rest. Okay, Aristotle, he is also ancient scientist. Okay, he inquired to know, the great philosopher of that time also concluded that the natural state of an earthly objects is to be at rest. Why the objects are moving to one place to some other place, then after it will be stop. Why? What is the reason? He inquired. I mean, Aristotle inquired that one. He thought that the object at rest requires no explanation, as any moving body naturally comes to rest. Naturally comes. What he says about? He thought. He thought. He thought that the object at rest, requires no explanation as any moving object. No explanation as any moving object, any body naturally comes to rest. Naturally comes to rest. I mean, when which objects are having in motion position, which objects are having in motion positions, they didn't stop. They didn't stop when the object is going, when the object is undergoes to friction to the some of the body, it will be slow down. To their moving position. Okay, he inquired that one. He Galilei stated that an object in motion will remain in same motion as long as no external force is applied to it. Okay, what he says Galileo about this motion? Galileo. So what he says Galileo? Galileo.
The earth was shaped in sphere, sir.
Yes.
Round shape, sir.
Yes, the earth shape is sphere. Okay, here the Galileo Galilei stated that an object in motion will remain in same motion. As long as no external force is applied to it. Okay, Galileo says about the motion of the body. The Galileo says about the motion of the body. When the body moving on some of the plane, it will does not stop. Why? When the object will does not stop, when the object is interact to the other body, the body is interact to the other body, then after it will goes down to slowly, it decreases their speed. Here see an object in motion will remain same. An object in motion will remain in same, but motion as long as no external force is applied to it. Here when we take an object, when we take an object or marble ball, you have to take an object. When we throw the ball or marbles or any object, it moves some of the distance, then after some time it will slow down, then after the speed is decreases gradually. Why? The object is interact to the surface of the body. The marble or ball or any object, they interact to the surface of the body. When the body is interact to the another body, it creates an repulsion. It creates an repulsion, and it creates a repulsion when the body is contact to the other plane. Okay, that's why here the object and the remaining plane, they are going to both are in friction. They are going to both are in friction. That's why the object movement, the object speed is okay. Step by step, gradually it decreases their speed. That's why the moving object travels to some other distance, then after it will stop. Okay, Galileo came with the two ingenious thoughts experiments. Galileo came up with two ingenious thoughts experiments. Okay, Galileo explained about this motion concept. Galileo explained this motion concept with their two ingenious thoughts experiments. What are the two ingenious experiments? He did experiments on inclined plane. Inclined plane. Do you know inclined plane? Inclined plane means this is an inclined plane. This is a normal surface. This is an inclined plane. Okay, don't stand. Sir, please change the screen, sir. Yes, thank you, sir. Okay, see here. Here, he did his experiments on inclined plane with smooth surfaces. With smooth surfaces, and observed that the smoother the surface, the further the ball traveled. When we are using the smoother surfaces, for example, this is a smoother surface. This is a smoother surface. When we are conducting an experiment, in the presence of smoother surfaces, we have observed the smoother the surface, the further the ball travel, how the ball is travel on the smoother surfaces. Anybody, can you tell me, okay, how the object is moving on smoother surfaces? Is it maintain the proper speed, or any friction is applied on the object? Anybody, can you tell?
Because of motion, sir.
Yes, because of motion. The object is moving some of the velocity, but if there is no friction on the which surface? Smoother surface. If there is no
Smooth on surface.
friction, yes, when there is no friction to the surface of the object will move smoothly on the surface. Here he extended this argument and concluded that if the surface was perfectly smooth, the ball will travel indefinitely until encountered by another object. Okay, in real world, such as surface, of course, does not exist. What he says here, when on the smoother surfaces, when we releases the object on the smoother surfaces, the object freely moves. How much distance are having smoother surface, the object will be moves continuously. If the other object is when other object is moving in opposition to the first body, it will gradually decreases the first body speed. Or if the surface, smoother surface is gradually decrease their smoother surfaces, then the object will also decreases their speed. Okay, there is a lot of situations here. That's why he says in real world, such a surface of course does not exist. When the body is moving on the surface, it is depends upon the surface, smoother surfaces or hard surfaces. Okay, when the objects are moving to one place to another place, it is depends upon the surface of the plane. Surface of the plane. For example, see here, they are explained here in 1A and 1B. Here, what is the slope? Inclined plane. This is a 1A is inclined plane and 1B is it is also inclined plane, and 1C it is an horizontal plane. Okay, in these three situations, okay, all are having smoother surfaces, isn't right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All are having smoother surfaces. Here in figure 1, downward motion 1A. See here, this 1A it is an smoother surface. He observed that when a marble rolls down a slope, it picks up speed due to the force of gravity of the earth. Okay, when we releases the object from this point, when we releases the object from this point, it is travels towards the ground. Why? Because here the gravitational force is acted on this object. Do you understand? Why the ball is moving downward direction? Anybody? Why the object is moving towards the downward direction? When we releases the ball in this direction, when in this
Sir, it's
position,
come
why
downward, sir.
why the
Motion.
yes
Because
why
of motion, sir.
okay
Sir,
motion
because
okay
motion.
okay motion is correct. Here the ball is moving towards the downward direction. Here the gravitational force attracts the ball. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Why the ball is moving towards downward direction? Because of the gravitational force is attracted to this ball. That's why the ball is moving towards in this downward direction. Do you understand? This is the
Yes, sir.
first case. In figure 1B, see here, this is figure 1B. Okay, see in this case 1B, okay, when the object rolls up an inclined plane, then the ball is moving in upward direction. Okay,
Upward
that is
upward direction.
yes, in the upward direction.
Sir, it's
Okay,
go too slow, sir. Slow about this, sir. B
yes,
is go slow.
Move and slowly. Why the ball is moving slowly?
Sir, it's up direction, upward direction, sir.
Okay, it is an upward direction. It is okay. Okay, why here is here the gravitational force is acting in this direction, but if you are moving to upward direction, is it any force is acting on there?
No, sir.
There is no force is
No, sir.
acting on there. Okay, when pushes the ball from downward to upward, when the ball is pushes to downward to upward, the ball is moving gradually. The ball is moving upward direction, gradually decreases the speed. Isn't or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here it says about when the object rolls up an inclined plane, its speed decreases. When the ball is moving downward direction to upward direction, the ball speed is gradually decreases. When the ball is moving upward direction, the speed is
Gradually.
gradually decreases. Yes, sir. Now let us assume that marble is moving on an level surface as shown in figure 1C. Once you have see it, see in 1C, it is an horizontal direction. This is a
Yes, sir.
horizontal direction.
Horizontal direction.
Yes. And in this horizontal direction, 1C, it has no reason to speed up or slow
Down.
down. Yes, slow down. So it will continue to move with constant velocity. Constant velocity. Of course, if the horizontal plane, the horizontal plane is having smoother surface. The horizontal plane is having smoother surface. When in this surface, the ball is releases. When the ball is releases from this point, okay, the ball is moving in this direction. The ball is moving from
In
left
this,
to right direction.
right.
Okay,
Sir,
how
it
far
goes
distance
same.
the ball? What is?
Sir, it goes same direction, sir. Same speed, same direction, sir.
Yes, very good,
See,
Ganesh. Okay, here, if there is no friction on the surface and the ball moves continuously. If the friction is acting of surface to the ball or marble, the marble will decreases their speed gradually. Then after it stops some other point. Yeah, that's why. So it is will continue to move with a constant velocity. If there is no friction is acting on the ball, or there is no rough surfaces are on the direction ball of direction, the ball moves continuously at constant velocity. You understand?
understand,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Okay. And then, sir, please change the slide. Okay. See here. See here. In this picture. See here. Here. By this experiment, Galileo came to a conclusion which was in constant to Aristotle's belief that the natural state of an object is a rest. Natural state of object is 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 rest. Here they are showing pictures 2A, 2B, and 2C. See here the inclined surfaces. When the inclined here, the inclined in the first 2A picture, the inclined surfaces are closer to each other. And the second picture of 2B, here the inclined surfaces are having some of the distance. And in the third picture, 2C, here one of the slope is inclined plane is having, okay, parallel to the horizontal direction. Okay, is it clear?
Sir,
Here,
no, sir.
three cases. Okay, is
Sir.
not clear the screen?
Once more time, sir.
Okay, here, picture 1, I mean 2A. In the first picture, 2A, here the inclined surfaces, both are closer to each other. Okay, here two inclined surfaces. What are the two inclined? See here, this is one of the inclined surface. This is one of the inclined surface. Do you understand? These two inclined surfaces both are closely related. Isn't or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And the second one, B. 2B. Here, the inclined surface is nearer. They are maintain some of the distance. Here, compared to the first one, here inclined surface is having some of the distance. And the third one, 2C. Here, inclined surface, one of the inclined surface is parallel to the horizontal position. Okay, here in these three cases, in which situation the ball is moving freely?
Sir, see, sir. 2C, sir.
Yes.
2C.
Yes. See, it is approximately discorrect. See here, AB motion along inclined planes with different slopes. A and B. A and B. What he says, motion along inclined
Close.
planes with different slopes. These different slopes. These two are different slopes. Okay. See, motion from inclined surface to plane surface. This is inclined surface, this is plane surface. The object moves from inclined surface to plane surface. Isn't right or not?
Right, sir.
Yes. The ball is moving from inclined surface to plane surface. See here, what he says. Here, the marble releases. The marble released from its initial height. Initial height means this is the initial height. 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 I mean, initial height means starting height. Okay. Here,
Yes,
initial
sir.
height roll down due to the force of gravity and then moves up the slope until it reached its initial height. When we releases the ball, when we releases the ball from this point, initial point, it will get moves to downward direction. Why the ball is moving to downward direction? Here, the gravitational force is acting to the body. Okay,
Yes, sir.
the gravitational force is acting on the body. When the ball is reaches to the its point, it will move in upward direction.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt, Ganesh?
No, 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 sir.
Okay. See here also, when the body we releases the object, it will move downward direction because of gravitational force. Then after it will move to some of the height in opposite direction. Okay,
Slowగా
on
పోతుంది,
inclined
sir.
plane.
Slow
Yes,
will
sir.
be cold.
Yes, when the body moves faster from higher plane to lower plane, then it will move upward direction, gradually decrease their speed. Then after the ball moves to the downward direction. Okay, then after it will move into the upward direction. But here in the case C, in the third case, see, then he reduced the angle of the upward slope and did the same experiment as shown in figure 2b. 2b. Figure is 2b. Here, the first in 2a, we did the activity like 2b. Okay, the marble rolled up the same height. Marble rolled up the same height, but it had to go further in this instance. Further instances. But here in the second situation, the marble is moving along with some of the distance. But here there is a small distance. But here it is having much of distance compared to the A.
Yes.
Compared to the A. Yes. See here, the marble rolled up the same height, but it had to go further in instance. That means the distance traveled by it is greater. The distance traveled by it is greater. When the distance traveled the marble here, the distance of the surface of the plane surface, it is much longer than compared to the inclined plane. He made his observation by further reduction in the angle of the upward slope. He got the same results. He got the same results. Here, to reach the same heights, to reach the same heights, the
Same.
ball had to go further each time. Okay, he did this activity continuously up to then. See here, then a question arose in his mind. Okay, he got some doubt. I mean, a question arose in his mind. How far must it have to move to reach the same height if it has no slope to go up? If there is no slope, how much distance, how far distance the object is moving? He questions arose in his
Yes, sir.
mind.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
the same height if is no slope to go up, since it has no slope to go up as shown in figure 2c. See here, if there is no slope here, isn't
Yes,
any
sir.
slope here in the C?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
See,
sir.
there is no
No
slope
slope, sir.
here. There is no slope in the horizontal direction. Okay, that's why he arises in his mind so many doubts. Okay. See. Okay, since it has no slope to go up as shown in figure 2C, obviously you should keep on. Sir, please change the screen. Keep on moving forever along the level surface at constant velocity. At constant velocity. Please, sir, change the screen, please. Sir, please change the slide. Here the object, I mean, the marble is moving for a long level surface at a constant velocity. There is no opposite direction. In the opposite force is not acting on the surface of the body or marble, the object will move continuously. He conclude that the natural state of a moving object, if it is free of external influences, is uniform motion. Okay, what do you think of these experiments? If any external force required to stop a moving object, if we want to stop the object, okay, required to stop a moving object, is an external force is applied. From this experiment, we can say that an object will remain in uniform motion unless a force acts on it. When we are not using the when the body is on moving position, if we are not using the external force to the object will always move to the continuously on smoother surface. Okay, sir, please change the, skip the screen, please. Sir, please. Okay, there is no time to continue this class. Okay, time is up. Tomorrow we will continue, day after tomorrow we will continue this class. Okay, and the topic we don't have much more time, that's why we have to leave this class today. Okay, day after tomorrow we'll continue this topic. Okay, don't forget that you are home. Please, once you have to practice this topic, once you have read it, don't forget it. Okay, see you day after tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please stop the record. Sir.
Sir, okay.
Stop the record, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.